Current affairs, today's headlines, November 4, 2022. India. PM launches new complaint management system portal of Central Vigilance Commission. Ministry of Education releases performance grading index for states, UTs for 2020-21. Kerala, Punjab, Chandigarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Andhra Pradesh attain level -2 grading. Gross enrollment ratio improves at all levels of school education in 2021-22. UDISE, Unified District Information System for Education, Plus. MPCM Shivraj Singh Chauhan launches Ladli Lakshmi 2.0 financial assistance scheme for girls. Gujarat Assembly elections to be held in 2 phases on December 1, 5, result on December 8. Indian Army registers intellectual property rights (IPR) of the new design and camouflage pattern uniform. Finance Minister launches biggest ever coal mine auction of 141 mines. Urban Mobility India Conference